Luke again, and last time we did a Pokemon video, it was about a book, but this time we are doing the Pokemon Pikachu Charizard case file. We are going to be opening it right now. You guys want to see the Pikachu because he's so cute. Let's look at him. He is super cute. Now it's time to open it. So we do that, and we rip it open.
No.
Pardon?
Want some help?
And now we have opened
So
it.
tell them what's inside the pack.
And inside the pack, you can see at the back that there are Pokemon cards, Pokemon packs. There are Pokemon Pikachu packs, there's some regular ones. And the Charizard-GX card, of course, the mini one. And now, we open that, we put that away. And we take my beautiful Charizard-GX card in the arena, flaming dreadful flames.
So it's
Everybody, this is what it looks like from front. And then there's also the mini one. Oh, it's right here. Which is right here.
Smell? Okay.
Because I will open it. You know what? I got it. And that's the mini pack for that card. Oh yeah, it also comes with the bad cards, the cards, that away. And the mini Charizard-GX card, Pokemon type Pikachu. This is what it looks like up close. And then we put garbage right there.
How many packs are there?
And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Now if we take that out. First, Pokemon.
Oh.
It's the Pokemon. It's a case of Pokemon like Pikachu. And we are opening it. What will the Pokemon type Pikachu cards will be? And all of them will look real, just so you know. We have a real Jigglypuff here. The real Jigglypuff.
Yeah.
A real Jigglypuff here. We have a real Charmander. A real Lickitung. A real Mewtwo. This was a lucky pack right here. And another trash card. Up to Pokemon Pikachu Case 2.
So I think there's more than 4 packs, because that was 2 Pikachu packs that you thought was 1 pack.
Yeah, there are 4 packs.
So it looks like there's 4 Detective Pikachu packs.
And only 2.
1 pack of Sun and Moon. And then the last pack. Oh, it's also a Sun and Moon Guardian Rising pack. So
And
that's a good
now
pack
we have
there.
a Snubble, real Snubble, a Psyduck, a Charmander, another one, same one, Ludicolo, and another trash card. And now we're going on to the Sun and Moon Guardian Risings. These ones must have some good guardians. Let's see if I get any lucky. Any luck in this one. Okay, these will be all not real. They're not gonna be like Pokemon Pikachu cards. We have a Belgum,
Show me the camera.
a Rockruff, a Machamp, a Trubbish, a Delibird, an Injury Lotto, ooh, a Pangaroo, an Energy card for Grass type Pokemon, Goffrida, Salabi, Max Potion, and another trash card. And now we got the Pokemon Sun Moon Christmas Intonation. This one has to have some good cards. I have to get some luck stuff in here. Maybe my dream will come true. Maybe I will get a lot of luck stuff. Let's take out the trash card first. A Pikachu, a Midorvis, Spoink, Houndour, another Jigglypuff, a Makinu, a Starmie, an energy for fire type Pokemon, Immobula, the trainer Gladen, and Stariva. Now the third Pokemon type Pikachu pack. We have a third Jigglypuff, a Magikarp, a Morphle. Ooh, I got a good one. And the police Pokemon who looks like he is doing the police. Machamp. That's lucky. That is really lucky here. I'm getting a lot of really good luck stuff. Second Lictum of the day. Second Snubble of the day. Fourth Jigglypuff of the day. And Ditto. And that is all the cards, but we're still missing another card. Charizard-GX, Pokemon Pikachu.
So here's a close-up of the special Charizard-GX card.
And here's a humongous one.
So where did we buy this pack, bud?
And this pack, there are millions of them at Toys R Us. And my mom made me a deal that I would get this at Toys R Us the next day because I really wanted it the day before. So I waited, and the next day I was so excited to go to Toys R Us.
Yeah, and then what happened?
I got this.
They're on sale.
They're on sale.
Yeah, on sale for $23, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to get a good set, go to Toys R Us.
The best cards I got was Jigglypuff, Lickitung, Mewtwo, Ludicolo, Kangaroo, Machamp, and Ditto. And always forget and never forget the Charizard-GX and the jumbo card Charizard-GX. And thank you for watching this video. Next time will be another Pokemon card video where we will be opening in other packs